Mario Kart on a laptop screen using the Nintendo Switch. This now turned into a full TV. Can you believe this? Share something exciting that I discovered the other day, but quick backstory. So I was playing on the Nintendo Switch one day and I was traveling and I thought to myself, I can't find a TV around. I wish I could use my laptop screen as a TV screen. The problem with laptops is that they have HDMI output, but not HDMI input. And guess what? I found out that you can with something called an HDTV video capture card. I was very excited about this. So once you connect this to the laptop and once you connect this to the Switch dock, check this out. So I'm playing Mario Kart. If I put it right here, check out what happens with the OBS software. This is called OBS. Now let's go ahead and control it. I was playing Mario Kart and look at this, man. Let me go full screen. And look at that. Mario Kart on a laptop screen. You can capture video with this thing, which means your gameplay can be recorded using special software like OBS. I love it. And the best part is, so far, this thing runs really well. It doesn't heat up. Now, sometimes it does lag just a little bit. I can see some drops in frames, but that is only during extensive gameplay. However, in normal usage, it's pretty fine. Let me show you how that looks like. You can see the frames right now are pretty impressive. Gameplay is very smooth. Check that out. It's actually really good. But sometimes I notice, for example, when I play Smash, the frames drop just a little bit. But so far, it's incredible. I mean, this is amazing. And of course, you can play with your friends, and that's the best part. On your laptop screen. If you don't have a TV and you're traveling, you just have to add this little guy to your items, to your travel items. I have this bag right here. I put my Switch stuff in there, and I added this now to the bag, and everywhere I go, I'm ready to play. You can connect your console either through HDMI, as there's HDMI in and HDMI out, or through a USB 3, as you can see right here. You can also connect a microphone, which is pretty cool.